Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on Delta Exchange app. Notification help you stay updated with important activity related to your Delta Exchange account, and these alerts can inform you when orders are executed, when deposits or withdrawal occurs, or when there is important account activity. Unlike some apps, Delta Exchange may not have a dedicated notification toggle inside the app. So first open to your setting, and once you get into this interface of your setting, what you can do is on the bottom there's a search, type down apps and go to your app over here, and you need to find your Delta Exchange app and select for this Delta Exchange app once you find it. And over here we can find this notification just below this search. Over here on the top we could find this notification for the allow notification, which is toggled on. Simply tap on that and it just toggled on, and simply toggle it on to toggle on, and that is it. Enabling notification for the Delta Exchange ensure that you receive important updates about your trading activity and account status. And once enabled, you can stay informed about the trade, transaction and account activity without needing to constantly check up the app. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.